Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to do advanced filter to a new location. Like for example, now in this scenario, for the whole table, if I want this whole data to get filtered to a new location, then I have to select this all data. Like for example, you have to go in advanced, list range, select the whole data, like criteria range. Yes, I need the criteria. Move criteria department 4. Yes, copy to a new location and copy to, I need the data to be copied over here. Okay, see, I'm getting the whole data copied and filtered to a new location. That's how you do it. Now, thanks for today. That's for now. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel in order to get the latest tips and tricks of Smart Excel on your feeds. Thank you. Bye bye.